24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Ask the children to take turns and talk about their animals at home. Those who do not have animals at home, ask them to talk about the animals they see in their surroundings. Now, show a box and ask them if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is a box. It is blue or any color. And its name is box. Ask the children if they can tell about the use of a box. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that we put things in a box. Now, show to the class a picture of a fox and frame the questions like you have asked about the box. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter X and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter X, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the small letter X with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
I spy with my little eye something that ends with X and the sound is X. I see a fox in a box, X for box, fox in a box. I see a fox in a box, that's what ends with X. X.
Write the letter X on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter X and it says X. Say the sound of the letter X. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their ending sound. X, X, X-ray, X, X, X-ray, X, X, X-ray, X, X, X-ray. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter X activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write letter X on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the middle and draw a diagonal line down till the 3rd line. Then draw another diagonal line from the middle line, touching the 3rd line, crossing the first diagonal line. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter X with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter X in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize X. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter X can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.